welcome into our Airbnb. So this is where we're staying in Florence. This isn't sponsored. Look at how many subs I have. They are not sponsoring me, but we really liked our stay here, so I wanted to show you guys this place, and I will leave the link so you guys can stay here if you want to. So this is the kitchen, which I just think he did a really nice job at decorating this so it feels comfortable and cozy and homey, but it's not, doesn't have like a bunch of knickknacks. Like, I really like this light and that clock. It's just a really nice detail. This is a really old building. Yeah, like the door is old, as well as this bedroom door, which I really like the bedroom door. It's hard to open, but I think it's really pretty. And so at the front of the apartment is the bedroom, which is really big and it has a ton of natural light, which is really nice. And when we first got here, I was kind of nervous because we are on the first floor and having the window right here, but there are these wooden shutters that you pull through, that you pull like from outside, and then you can lock them, so you don't have to worry about anyone coming in or anything like that. And then a nice armoire right here, very comfortable bed, and these lights I really like. I wish I could take them with me, and that chair I also really like. So yeah, we were very happy in this room. Oh yeah, it was really nice because he left us food for breakfast. We didn't end up using any of it because obviously the food here is so good. We didn't really need to, but if you want to save money, that was really generous of him. And then you have a stove, and there's a refrigerator in here. Whoops. So you pretty much have everything you're gonna need, as long as you're not trying to like cook a whole Thanksgiving dinner here. And then here I don't really think we ever use this room at all, but this works as an extra bed. So I think you can fit up to 3 people in this place, and everyone sat on it, so I don't really have much to say. This is, I don't know, he didn't explain this, but this is I think a little fireplace, and there's a TV here. But yeah, like I said, we didn't really spend any time in here, so I don't have much to say on it. I like this. These are nice touches. Makes it feel homey, but it's also very clean and not cluttered. And then this is the bathroom. It's very long and kind of narrow, but it works really nicely. If you watched my last video in Rome, the shower didn't drain. So here the shower worked perfectly, which was really nice. A really nice shower. Love the rain head shower head. And yeah, it's just very clean and easy to use. Everything we needed. Even though we are on the first floor, also David loves these. These are these heated towel racks, so your towels are warm when you come out. Every place we've been in Europe so far has had them. I don't know if that's just normal for here.
I think it is.
It's nice. But something to know is, even though we are on the first floor, there are like 3 steps when you first come in. So if you are unable to get upstairs, this is not the right place for you. But if you are carrying a bunch of luggage, there is no elevator. But getting up those 3 steps is very easy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will leave the link to this Airbnb for you guys to check out. Florence has been my favorite European city that I've ever been to, so if you do get the chance, you should definitely come check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
If you're not liking and subscribing, then get the f off this channel.